मैं आपकी नज़ाकत, आपकी
Thank
आर्ट,
you.
ब्रेव और बोल्ड आप हैं, मैं उसकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ। आप राइटर हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं, आपने 4 शॉर्ट फ़िल्म्स बनाई हैं, आप एजुकेशनिस्ट भी हैं, आप एनिमेटर भी हैं, आप क्या-क्या हैं आप।
Paintings also I do.
ओह येस! बताइए, पेंटिंग्स भी। क्या ऐसा हुआ था कि आपको घर में बताना पड़ा था कि आप ट्रांसजेंडर हैं?
No,
कि
actually,
उनको पता था?
while growing up, I always thought that I was born in a very strange family. Unfortunately, my parents never had a closet for me.
ये तो बहुत ही अलग कहानी मैं सुन रही हूँ पोदू, क्योंकि आमतौर पर तो ये होता ही नहीं है।
हाँ.
हिंदुस्तान में तो बहुत मुश्किल है ये।
So my mother will go to another friend's house, and their mothers will say that दीदी अभी आपकी हमारे बेटों का तो अभी कॉलेज में गए, अभी तो उनके लिए शादी वादी लड़की ढूंढना चालू करना पड़ेगा. When mother will tell them on their faces that उनके लिए लड़की नहीं लड़का ढूंढना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वही लड़कियां हैं. My friends, very close friends, they would say that this one is gay, so why can't you guys just be with each other?
Okay, just because the other person is gay.
They have no idea. It's not as simple as a hetero man. People around you, society has to change.
Absolutely.
Not women. Life is all about growing up.
पोलराइज तो हम हमेशा से थे।
हमेशा
अब बस अब बढ़ चढ़कर उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं। तो आपकी पहली रिलेशनशिप या पहला क्रश कब हुआ?
पहला relationship was childhood lover.
Oh,
It's like Devdas Paro ka pyar.
really?
Yeah.
So you are a trans woman. What was his identification?
So I will fall for a man who likes women, not a man who likes men. Man has to be heterosexual or a bisexual maybe.
तो गैंग्स ऑफ वासीपुर में तो वो जो लौंडा नाच था,
हाँ.
वो आपने किया था, तो वो कैसे हुआ? और इतना एनर्जी के साथ वो डांस किया आपने।
मैं क्या करती, आप तो बड़ी वो निकली।
क्या क्या?
फिल्म में देखेंगे, उससे पहले कुछ नहीं करेंगे।
हाँ, फिल्म में देखेंगे।
सबको प्यार दो, प्यार लो। Oh my God, that was very corny. No.
हाय प्रदीप्ता, थैंक यू सो
Hello.
मच
I thought-
आने के लिए।
I thought you'll say hi, Podu.
No. Of course, I'll say hi, Podu. Hi, Pradipta Ray. Thank you so much for coming and doing this for me. मैं आपकी इतनी बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ, मैं आपकी आर्ट की फ़ैन हूँ, मैं आपकी फ़ैन हूँ एज अ पर्सन। आपकी नज़ाकत, आपकी
Thank
खूबसूरती।
you. Should I say this?
Why not? और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कितना कुछ सीख सकती हूँ आपसे। मैं चाहती हूँ कि मुझ में ना आपकी जैसी नज़ाकत आए, है ही नहीं मुझ में। कैसे आती, कैसे करती हैं आप ये?
I have no idea, Salim. Why would you need to be more nazakat in yourself?
मतलब मुझे
आप
इंस्पिरेशन
जैसी हो।
मिलती है आपसे। मुझे
अच्छा,
ऐसा लगता है
हाँ।
कि ये पोदू ऐसे करके जो बात करती हैं, मुझे भी ऐसे मेरे से हो ही नहीं पाता है। आप ये लेके पैदा हुई हैं।
नहीं, wanting to be a woman.
हाँ।
वो सारी नजाकत, you tend to latch on to the stereotypes of a woman, no, that a woman has to be feminine, and then latching on to the accepted notions
Norms, हाँ.
and norms of what is masculine, what is feminine. Some bodily structures are sort of, they complement the nazakat, if at all I have any. Some might not, so that is the only difference.
Okay.
I'm talking about like the aesthetic
Of course.
perspective.
हाँ.
Yeah.
बट मैं आपकी नज़ाकत, आपकी
Thank
आर्ट,
you.
आपकी ब्रेव और बोल्ड आप हैं, मैं उसकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ। और आप राइटर हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं, आपने 4 शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनाई हैं, आप एजुकेशनिस्ट भी हैं, आप एनिमेटर भी हैं, आप क्या हैं? आप खुद बताइए, आप क्या हैं? क्या हैं?
A writer,
राइटर,
a filmmaker, producer also, because मेरे short films
प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं।
I only had to produce, but not like the technical sense of from the perspective of big producer producing others' films. I've only been producer director, I would say. Like when you have to invest your own money and produce your own, direct your films. So I'm only that kind of producer.
Okay.
Up till now, I haven't produced anyone else's film. But yes, so writer, director, artist. And animator. I'm an animation artist.
Yes.
Paintings also I do.
ओह यस, बताइए, पेंटिंग्स भी। Yeah.
Then I've done a couple of films में I've done production design for a couple of films.
कौन कौन सी फिल्में?
Love Wrinkle Free, they're both
Okay.
independent films,
हाँ.
and which was directed by Sandeep Mohan,
हाँ.
and आप उनको जानती हो, right? Sandeep?
Yes, of
हाँ,
course.
common
उनकी फिल्म में मैंने मेरा एक छोटा सा गाना बैकग्राउंड में बजता है और
Love Wrinkle Free में?
Not Love
No,
Wrinkle Free,
second
but
film में.
हाँ, yes.
Ola Venki में.
ओला वेंकी में.
हाँ,
Yes, yes.
और दूसरी फिल्म थी श्लोक शर्मा की जू करके.
ओके, तो उसमें आपने
Production design
प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन किया है. तो जब प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन बोल रही हैं तो उससे क्या मतलब है?
I think it was for the longest time in Indian film industry it was called art direction, and production
Okay.
design is probably a word which has come from the Western film industries. I
ओके,
think.
आर्ट डिजाइनिंग तो आपने मेरे म्यूजिक वीडियो में भी की थी
हाँ,
पोदू.
हाँ,
तो मेरा एक गाना है वुड यू कंसिडर मी, इट्स ऑन यूट्यूब. उसका म्यूजिक वीडियो आशुतोष पाठक ने डायरेक्ट किया है. बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं हमारे, अमेजिंग फिल्म मेकर. एंड पोदू हैज़ डन द आर्ट ऑफ द एंटायर वीडियो. एक महीना पूरा लगा के एक एक पेपर से ऐसे ऐसे कटिंग्स काट के और इतनी मेहनत करके आपने वो सारा सेट बनाया था. और आशुतोष के घर में ही वो 3 कमरों
किया
में
गया
अलग अलग कमरों में वो लगा था और वो शूट हुआ था. वो मेरे ख्याल से मेरा अभी तक का बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस था पोदू, बिकॉज ऑफ द टीम.
you.
आप थी, आशु और अनुभूति और जितने लोग थे, इतने प्यार से उन्होंने काम किया है. इतने प्यार से खेलते खेलते हंसी मजाक में मुझे लगा मेहनत आप लोग ने की, क्योंकि हम तो वहाँ पे सेट पे आ जाते थे खाली शूट करने के लिए. पूरा बैकग्राउंड जो बैक एंड काम होता है जिसको कोई देख नहीं पाता कि मेहनत कितनी लगी है, वो आप लोग की थी. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग सच अ
उनका घर
ब्यूटीफुल
भी वैसा, you remember the walls paintings
paintings
still
were there. हाँ, yeah, and it's beautiful. So check out that video. Would you consider me? It's on YouTube. And coming back to your short films. तो आपकी 4 शॉर्ट फिल्म्स अभी तक बनी हैं और अवार्ड विनिंग शॉर्ट फिल्म्स हैं. तो अवार्ड विनिंग शॉर्ट फिल्म्स के बारे में बताइए और दूसरों के बारे में भी बताइए.
So पहली जो शॉर्ट फिल्म मैंने बनाई थी उसका नाम है रात बाकी, द नाइट इज यंग. उस फिल्म को मिला था बेस्ट इमर्जिंग इंडियन फिल्म मेकर,
Wow.
रियाद वाडिया award for the best emerging Indian filmmaker at Kashish Mumbai International Queer Film Festival.
Okay.
उसमें मिला था. That was my first short film. और फिर second was Eidi, which traveled different international festivals.
Okay.
Then I did Guy Next Door, and my 4th film, and I would call it magnum opus because it's the most big budget film. So I had many co-producers from London and Bombay as well.
Wow.
And that has won 2 awards. Best Screenplay and Best Indian Narrative Short at Kashish Mumbai International Queer Film Festival, and a special jury award at the Mosaic Mishaf in Canada. It was premiered at BFI Flair in London.
Okay.
And it was screened also at Iris Prize, which is nominated for Iris Prize, which
Wow.
is prestigious, most prestigious in terms of the LGBT film festivals.
Okay.
उसमें, हाँ.
Congratulations,
Thank
this is amazing.
Thanks so much.
पर आपकी जो कहानियां हैं फिल्म्स की, वो LGBTQ कम्युनिटी पर ही आधारित हैं, ऐसा है?
I would say that their stories, the characters happen to be from LGBTQI+.
Okay.
From the queer community.
Okay.
Their sexualities are of non-heteronormative.
Okay.
But their stories, I mean, that's how I deal with my stories. And that's where my, I think, my collaboration with Ashutosh ji, that's where, I mean, our collaboration, I think, works. Because we both approach them as stories first and not LGBTQI+ stories.
Okay. तो आप बचपन से ही फिल्म मेकर बनना चाहती थी?
हाँ.
सच में?
हाँ.
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है यार? तो कभी आए नहीं डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर और
Please.
लॉयर?
I always as a child बचपन से ही तो मैं drawing करती थी.
हाँ.
So I was always fascinated by the murtis of the goddesses.
Oh.
So we used to, in Bengal, people go pandal hopping,
हाँ,
right?
yes they do.
Yeah. So as a child, I remember drawing on you had those rubber cloth, right, for the kids. So I was that young. I still remember, and with ballpoint pen, they run very well because those cloths were sheets of rubber. Now they have been replaced with more synthetic. So that on those, the ballpoint pens would run very smoothly, right? So I remember drawing those images, and I was fascinated by the ornamentations and the costumes and the way the eyes were painted and all of that. So yeah, so ever since I was a little child, I could draw. So doctor or engineer was never a thing for me, I suppose.
ओके आप बहुत लकी निकल गई क्योंकि ज्यादातर बच्चों को तो यही सुनने को मिलता है हाँ ये पेंटिंग वेंटिंग तो ठीक है तुम साइड में करते रहो हॉबी है पर पढ़ाई मेडिकल पढ़ना है और मैथ्स पढ़ना है कॉमर्स
I think
करना
my
है
mother really supported because she was, I think she was very, not only supportive, she was so proud about my, if one can use the word, talent towards art and drawing and painting, that she always supported. And she kind of had this idea that I would become an artist or something.
wow do you think it could have been her dream
Of course, it was her
It
dream.
was?
Yeah. I mean, when I went to NID, I was in our generation. I was probably one of the very few who actually. I mean, आपने जो सवाल किया ना, doctor, engineer. I actually had a family pressure. मेरी माँ का सपना था कि I go to NID. She went there for my cousins. मेरी बुआ की बेटी, who is also from NID. So उनकी convocation में गई थी मेरी माँ, and then she just fell in love with the place and the college, and then she was like. It was her dream, so I had that kind of family pressure. Probably in the right direction.
in the right direction how was your relationship with your like आपने mom की तो बताई how was your relationship with your father in your childhood
While growing up, I always thought that I was born in a very strange family. But then now looking back, I think I'm really privileged to be born in that kind of a so-called strange family where nothing was imposed onto anybody.
wow
We were literally 4 individuals sharing a house because you have your personal life, and those days you know, right, the father being the man of the house.
Yes.
Of course, he would have the final whatever say in everything, right? So if he is allowing you so much of leeway and freedom and independence, then it's very different. Like I was never told to do this and not to do that. If I go and ask my father, he would give
Pros and
two
cons
steps.
of both?
Pros and cons of both, and then it's your call. I have given you the consequences, so you be.
बचपन से ही
So I used to be very frustrated as a child that why can't this man just tell me what is right and what is wrong? But now looking back, I think I can't thank him enough.
हाँ
Yeah, I mean, who I am is all because of the. I mean, who all of us are is all because of the kind of upbringing is a bit harsh word, I would say, what we experience while growing up, right? So yeah, at home we had absolute liberty and freedom.
तो आपका बचपन कहाँ बीता
कलकत्ता में.
अच्छा और कैसा था बचपना कैसा था
बचपन तो बड़ा ही अच्छा था, but I was always very sheltered at home. You know me that I rarely step out of the house. And that's why probably one had taken up freelancing and not being
A full-time
in a
job,
where
yeah,
you have to
yeah.
go to office every day. It's probably because of the fact that I always felt secured and sheltered and protected, or more, I would say, secured at home.
At home.
Than facing the world. For a lot of people, at least trans individuals, I think home becomes a problem area for them.
पर आपके लिए नहीं था
मेरे लिए it was actually the other way around. In Bengali, there is this term called घरकुनो, मतलब somebody जो घर में ही बैठी रहती.
घर घुस्सू
Yes, I think.
क्या ऐसा हुआ था कि आपको घर में बताना पड़ा था कि आप ट्रांसजेंडर हैं कि
actually,
उनको
when
पता था?
when people ask me this question
हाँ.
that, oh, when did you come out of the closet? I
हाँ.
said, but unfortunately, my parents never had a closet for me in the house.
Wonderful.
Because as I told you, that we were like 4 individuals living in a house. I mean, of course, with my mannerisms and all of that. My brother's friends, they would at times tell my brother that tera bhai aisa hai, waisa hai. So my brother would be like, please mind your own business. Because he
Wow.
knew that he cannot come home and tell this to father. Because he would not
Tolerate.
tolerate
Yeah.
anybody who is an outsider making a comment on whatever is happening in this household. Because you are not a part of our problems. What makes you think that you you can have an opinion about what is happening in the household, as long as there is no crime happening in the house. And same thing applied for to our relatives also.
Okay.
So I'm sure now that I hear like horrific experiences of the LGBT community from their family members and their relatives and the pressure and all of that. I think that, my God, it seemed to be a cakewalk for me throughout. But probably because of the fact that my father would not tolerate any kind of gossip. खाना खाने आए हो, थोड़ा बात करो, but हमारे घर में क्या हो रहा है, कौन कैसे जिंदगी जी रहा है, you have no business talking about it. It will not be tolerated. So and he was, I think, very, very vocal about it. So the relatives did not really poke their nose into they just let me be.
ये तो बहुत ही अलग कहानी मैं सुन रही हूँ पोदू, क्योंकि आमतौर पर तो ये होता ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
हिंदुस्तान में तो बहुत मुश्किल है ये.
I know.
तो आप मुझे बताइए, आप अपने फादर को जानती हैं, तो क्या वो ऐसे कैसे बने? मतलब इन अ वर्ल्ड वे एवरीवन एल्स इज सो डिफरेंट, वो ऐसे कैसे हो गए कि मेरा घर का मामला है और आप उसमें दखल नहीं दे सकते, मेरे घर के लोग 4 इंडिविजुअल्स रहेंगे? वो कहाँ से आया होगा?
कारण एक ही बता सकती हूँ, because his family is very highly educated family. He comes from a highly educated family. But then again, by saying this, you can't really say that only educated people are progressive
Of
or
course,
liberal.
ऐसा नहीं कह
There
सकते.
are people who are otherwise also.
हाँ.
Like for example, my mother, she came from a very rich family, a business family. And she hated पढ़ाई लिखाई.
अच्छा.
तो उन्होंने 8th standard भी खत्म नहीं किया.
अच्छा.
And of course, she came from, I would say, उस जमाने में, I'll say करोड़पति only, a big industrialist. I mean, all of that is gone in one generation, but that's a different story. But then she didn't have to go to school because she never, I mean, if somebody wrote letter to her, my mother would always tell us that please पढ़ के सुनाओ.
अच्छा.
And she hated reading and writing. So she is that way is not quite educated, but she knew exactly, instinctively, she knew that me and my other 4 friends in school, in a boys' school, she knew that there are 4 girls in this boys' school. So she always treated the others as girls.
Achha.
Because when we went to college and and we are very close, and our families interacted with each other. So we used to visit each other's houses. So when my mother will go to another friend's house, and their mothers will say that दीदी अभी आपकी हमारे बेटों का तो अभी कॉलेज में गए, अभी तो उनके लिए शादी वादी लड़की ढूंढना चालू करना पड़ेगा. Mother will tell them on their faces that उनके लिए लड़की नहीं लड़का ढूंढना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वही लड़कियां हैं.
अच्छा.
And my friends used to be very embarrassed that my God, how can auntie ऐसे कैसे बोल सकती हैं? And one of those friends, she's a very well-known activist.
अच्छा.
From Calcutta, trans activist,
Okay.
Ranjita Sinha. So those days when we had just entered college, but now looking back, she keeps telling me, "My God, you're so lucky that Kakima." I mean, Chachi or
Chachi,
auntie in Bengali,
yes,
they call
yes.
Kakima. Like Kakima was so progressive those days. But so I have like 2 examples. One probably could be because of the education, educated background, but another comes from no education.
Yeah.
Still, both were. But I think my mother is a brilliant example that if you don't have peer pressure of certain things, those. I mean, she was always a housewife. She did all the household work. But if you don't have the peer pressure or from the in-laws that ये चीजें आपको करनी ही है, you just blossom as an individual. I mean, you just grow up with your own mind. You develop your own mind, and that's an example. I mean, I think
That's
my mother is an example.
beautiful. That's beautiful. तो आप इंडिया की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अभी काम कर रही हैं. आप इंडिपेंडेंटली फिल्म्स ही बनाती हैं और जो इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, मतलब मैं तो हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कहूँगी, है ना?
हाँ.
तो ऐसी क्या मिथ्स हैं हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बारे में जो कि बहुत कॉमन मिथ्स हैं?
From the LGBT perspective, especially from the trans angle, life is difficult anywhere and in any industry you go to. Probably the corporate world is little easier because of their strategies and policies in support of LGBTQI plus community. So it's different. But do you think that stops people from bitching or gossiping behind their backs? But then that's the society that we are in, right? Because we gossip about anything, anybody, and everybody. But by saying this, I'm not justifying the sexuality perspective. You know, for example, women have to be alert, right? When you're using public transportation.
Yes.
But why? Right? It is because of certain, if you're not alert, you might face some problems, right? Some events which are like very unfortunate and you are not inviting those. Right? So no matter how much that women being alert has been normalized, but it's not the right thing, right?
Yeah. It's not the right thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't say that, oh, but you should have been more alert.
No.
I'm like, no.
No.
Hello.
Yes.
The people around you, society has to change,
Absolutely.
not women.
Yeah.
So, no matter how much ever normal that might seem to be. So, similarly, when I say that it still doesn't stop people from gossiping, by saying this, I'm not justifying it. I'm just saying that this is how sad human beings are. We humans are. I mean, by saying this, can I say that I don't gossip about others? I don't make judgments. Of course I do. I'm also a human being, right? But if I'm trying to rectify those, right? Because we have grown up in 80s and I'm the 80s middle class. Still had a lot of feudal mindsets, right? So with education और बड़े होने के बाद आप काम कर रही हो, इतने अलग-अलग लोगों से मिल रही हो, so मिलके इतने informations लेके अगर फायदा क्या हुआ? If I'm not challenging or questioning those values, which might be rooted in the feudal times and ways of life. So that is what matters. I'm not saying that everybody, that somebody, to fit to wo to perfect, like as for the Indian aesthetics go, that it's only the God can be or nature can be perfect. Human beings are not perfect. As for the Indian theories of Indian aesthetics of Indian art goes, that nature is perfect, not human beings, right? So that's why the depiction of a perfect woman or a perfect man, they are stylized because their inspiration is from nature. Somebody's eyes are like lotus petals, right? The woman's shoulder would be like an elephant's trunk. Or somebody's legs should be like a banana tree stem trunk. So that's the whole idea.
Okay.
So from that perspective, but we can't just say that, oh, nobody is perfect, so I can be the regressive, terrible things that I have, I can preserve those. No, I have to constantly question them, right? Otherwise, I think that is what life is all about, or growing up.
Growing up, yes.
Yeah, it's
Unless
all
you
about.
question,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
point
yeah,
out,
yeah, yeah,
you
yeah.
won't, become
Yeah,
a
yeah.
better person and then a better society.
Even if we know that, oh, this what I'm doing is wrong, उतना भी अगर अंदर आ जाए तो भी चलेगा, because that might in the long run stop you from practicing that again and again and again. Right. Otherwise, I mean, something maybe in a month I would have done it 10 times. But if I know that this is something, it's terribly wrong, and it's not a good thing to do, then probably in a month I'll do 5 times. In next month, probably chances are there that it'll reduce. Right? Because there
आप अपने
is.
आप को check कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, your conscience would. But
Yeah.
if I have created myself into a human being without any conscience, then तो फिर लाइलाज हो गए हम. But at times, it's again not so black and white, because at times you have other pressures also, because it's not only either this way or that way. The circumstances are different, right?
Okay.
हम हालात से मजबूर हो जाते हैं कभी कभी नहीं. And sometimes you're just afraid of doing some things. I mean, right now we live in a world where you think twice before you make a statement. We are very scared in today's world. It's terribly
Free
polarized.
speech, हाँ, free speech नहीं है,
Polarized,
हाँ.
no? And it's happening everywhere. I think that's probably the ways of the modern world, maybe.
So what I feel is, पोदू, polarized तो हम हमेशा से थे.
हमेशा
अब
से
बस अब बढ़ चढ़कर उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं.
उसको हमने we had perfected the art of hiding it.
Yes.
But now we don't need to.
Now there's no need to hide, and plus now we feel proud about the polarization, that
Yeah.
I am on this side, you are on that side. That's okay.
Yeah.
And I'm proud of it.
Yeah,
And to be able to even try to understand another perspective, वो हमें नहीं करना है.
Then again, if I say that to ensure a society where that nurtures and that believes in dialogue, you have to have a very ensure that the education system is very good. So that's one way of looking at it. But then that's quite difficult to execute, no? Because till the time the education is not, there is no internalization of all the data, it would not enlighten you, right? I mean, enlighten us. Unless and until we have internalized whatever we are reading in the books, right? But mostly the education systems are actually very, in Hindi में अगर बोलना है तो रट्टा मार education.
Yes.
हम practice करते हैं ना, because we are constantly इतना
Marks.
marks होगा, इतना ये, like the question you asked ना, doctor बनना है, engineer बनना है, either this or that. I mean, you're from the very beginning, the whole approach is probably not the right approach. I wouldn't say wrong out and out, but probably not the right approach towards education. But then when you have so much of competition, रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में, I mean, चीज महंगी हो रही है,
हाँ.
so you have to ensure a better future, because you don't have a safety net.
There is none.
None.
Yeah.
So then you have to. You can't think about internalize करना है, पढ़ाई लिखाई अंदर की आत्मा को जगाने, whatever. So you probably can't do that. So इसीलिए आई थिंक वो इंफॉर्मेशन सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन ही रह जाते हैं, वो शायद नॉलेज नहीं बनते हैं.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम जो हमारी सोसाइटी है, हमारे पास जो किताबें हैं, जैसे भगवत गीता है, अगर ये हमारी फैमिलीज में कल्चर होता कि हम वो पढ़ रहे हैं घर में, टू हैव अ कॉन्शियंस, वो हमारी डेवलप होती.
आई वुड से कि लोगों के घरों में होती हैं, बट देयर प्रॉब्ली रीडिंग इट एज अ रिलीजियस टेक्स्ट. बट वो भगवत गीता सिर्फ होने में और पढ़ने में नहीं होगा ना. देयर हैज टू बी एन एक्सपर्ट टू इवन एक्सप्लेन कि उसको आप कैसे पढ़ोगे मतलब नॉट जस्ट
समझोगे,
लिटरली. हाँ, आप
समझ कैसे रहे हो,
उसके लिए यू नीड एन एक्सपर्ट.
तो हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स कहाँ हैं?
आई डोंट नो.
हमारा तो इतना रिच टेक्स्ट है, हम सारा ज्ञान हमारे पास है
है ना?
एक्सपर्ट्स कहाँ हैं?
Experts होंगे, ढूँढना पड़ेगा.
ढूंढना पड़ेगा।
Like I could ask my father. He's 98.
Wow.
So his education was entirely in British India.
Okay.
Right. I think he was self-initiative था उनमें हमेशा. All
अच्छा।
my life I've seen. In my art college, I would have issued some books from the library, and I haven't gone through those books. Father will ask
Wow.
dining table में questions. ये क्या है? Then I'll be like, वो कहाँ से आ गया ये सामान? It's like, वो किताबें लेके आने से तो मिलती नहीं है ना ज्ञान. You have to really delve into those books. So he was like that, very analytical about everything. So if I would ask him questions from Bhagavad Gita or anywhere, he would have explained it to me. But then I was probably the very privileged to have a father like him, but not everybody. So then, if it just remains a mere religious text, because it is not, but they are actually people's experiences and ways of life. I think.
Yes, you're
all
right.
the texts that existed in India.
Yeah.
I think they're fabulous. They're
Yes.
like different philosophies.
They are
And-
philosophies.
yeah, so to be able to and understanding philosophy is not that easy. Then again, you'll have to like making your kids in the house to read the Bhagavad Gita is again probably will go in the same direction of a very Rattamar education. Because you have to internalize. Otherwise, I think there is no point in really reading the Bhagavad Gita. And to be able to do that, probably you need a very...
You need an expert. You need a guru.
You need an expert.
Yeah.
I don't know if guru is the right word. In the general notion of the word associated with the word guru, I would say you need an expert
Okay.
in philosophy.
तो मुझे अपने दोस्तों के बारे में बताइए, जब आप बड़ी हो रही थी और आप स्कूल में थी, कॉलेज में थी, तो आपके दोस्त कैसे थे?
School में again, I would say I was really privileged. We were like 4 girls in a boys' school.
Okay.
So school में तो and because I would draw and paint. My friend Ranjita, she's my sister. She was an excellent dancer. Another friend of ours, Pratap, who was also a dancer, and the fourth friend, he's a filmmaker. He has made 3 feature films already in Bangla. So we were, because of our talents, we were really loved. And I was not a bad student in school. So only problem with me, the teachers had, it's like, this one could do so much better, but she doesn't study at all. Because I knew that, I mean, why do I need to score like higher, like 90%, 80%? करके फायदा तो है नहीं, because मेरे को तो वो rat race में तो घुसना ही नहीं है, doctor, engineer बनने का, so the marks would not matter. I mean, I wanted to go to the art college, वहाँ पे आपको drawing करना आना चाहिए. From that perspective, I didn't have to be like scored like 90% every year. But then you know how teachers are, no?
Yeah.
When they have somebody who
हाँ,
has
पीछे पड़ जाते
decent
हैं।
amount of
तुम
brain.
तो अच्छा करके रहोगे।
हाँ, a decent amount of brain. I'm not saying that I was one of the best.
So when you say that you were 4 girls in a boys' school, what does that mean?
So, which means all 4 of them. I think not all 4, 3 of us, but the 4th one was also identified as a very feminine person.
Okay.
But all 3 identified as women. So I always thought in my head that I'm a girl. It's just that I had a different body. Yeah, many times my mother caught me wearing eyeshadow while going to school, and then she would shout, eyeshadow keno lagacho. But the reason was not because you're a boy. Reason was she had some makeup phobia.
Oh.
She always thought that makeup lagane se na skin kharab ho jayega. Kajal. She never wore any makeup. It was when I was in college, I would force her, because by then I had a range of like makeup set with me.
But you used makeup.
I did. Heroine ki type, magenta, gold, and then blue.
तो ये सब लगा के आप स्कूल जाती थी?
हाँ, so we actually went to a Christian missionary school.
Oh.
But I would say the most progressive school on this planet.
Wow.
In spite of the fact that it was run by a church, right? So it was a Christian missionary school.
That's wonderful, Podu.
Yeah.
That's
We
wonderful.
had a church within the school, so yeah. But then again, I'll say that probably it's because the the fact that it was in Calcutta, in Bengal. Bengalis are, I think, very progressive. It'll be oversimplification if I say that Bengalis are always very progressive. But I think in 80s Calcutta, they were very, I mean, otherwise in a Christian missionary school. And when we would go for outings, the teachers would actually give us all four of us in one room, and that room would be next to their room, almost like sheltering us, protecting us as four girls in a boys' school. So when you go out
Wow.
for,
What school is this?
it's called Cathedral Mission High School. I mean, not one of the very well-known schools as far as the board exam results are concerned.
I really don't care. I mean, if the teachers
Yeah,
are caring
yeah,
about their students
yeah,
to this
yeah.
extent,
To this
it's the
extent,
best
yes.
school ever.
Yeah.
तो आपकी पहली relationship या पहला crush कब हुआ?
Pehla relationship was childhood lover.
Oh,
It's like Devdas Paro ka pyar.
really?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's how it happened. So he was always like a husband to me.
Okay.
And, yeah.
How old were you? बचपन का प्यार?
I'm not sure. Third standard?
Really?
Fourth standard? Maybe.
Okay. So you are a trans woman. What was his identification?
So I hope he was always straight.
Okay.
But because we were like very close friends.
Okay.
And friendship में भी as कुछ कुछ होता है मैं बोलते हैं ना friendship क्या प्यार में दोस्ती भी होती है whatever I mean,
Okay.
those lines ना.
Okay.
No, so I think we were very close friends and there was love. I mean, at that age, who cares? I mean, you are not aware of kya ho raha hai. There is male and there is female. And LGBTQ, we are the range in between.
Okay.
So there is nothing black and white.
Okay.
So it's very difficult to say.
Okay.
Now, I think identities, sexualities is becoming, with the increasing awareness amongst people, we are accepting that it's very fluid. We are actually celebrating the fluidity of I would say genders and gender existence. Again, coming back to the trans perspective, I think we are very heteronormative mindsets or norms set in the head, right? So I will fall for a man who likes women, not a man who likes men.
Okay.
Right, because then that'll make me a man, right? Or rather, that'll probably make me a lesser woman. So the man has to be heterosexual or a bisexual, maybe.
ओके ओके तो जब आप मुंबई आ गई और तो मैंने सुना है मतलब एक बार फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में लोग आते हैं तो देयर इज़ अ पीरियड ऑफ स्ट्रगल जिसमें यू हैव टू गेट इन टू द इंडस्ट्री गेट टू नो पीपल एंड देन काम मिलना शुरू होता है तो ऐसी स्ट्रगल आपकी भी थी क्या
आप तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की एंट्री के बारे में बात कर रही हो अभी भी हैव आई एंटर्ड द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आई एम स्टिल I think I'm still a part of the independent sort of experiments.
अच्छा
I'm not in the mainstream. Yes, I did work with some mainstream Hindi film directors. Like I did storyboards for Rang De Basanti, Kambak Desh, K Baby, and many ad filmmakers who happen to be proper Hindi film directors. But other than that, not much of my services have been rendered to the mainstream industry.
ओके
Yes, the mainstream, I would say, my little stint at Gangs of Wasipur and
तो
Highway.
गैंग्स ऑफ वासीपुर में तो वो जो लौंडा नाच था वो आपने किया था तो वो कैसे हुआ एंड यू वर लुकिंग सो हॉट
I worked really hard for 2 months.
दुबली एकदम
मैं
वो
2 महीने तक बिना खाना
बिना
खाए
खाए,
हर
ओह।
रोज जिम जा जा के
बाप रे
मैं
टू मच
पतली हुई थी.
हाँ और इतना एनर्जी के साथ वो डांस किया है आपने
मैं क्या
पोदू
करती मैं आजू बाजू में all the stars, I mean the co-actors, oh my
Yeah.
god, their energy levels were like somewhere else.
Yeah.
So I had to match up to, I mean I still was not been able to match up to their energy levels, but at least somewhere.
But was it easy for you to do that? बिकॉज मे बी यू कैन वो माइंड सेट जो चाहिए होता है वो आप बना लेती हैं एंड देन यू जस्ट डू इट, या
I had
फिर
no
इट वॉज वेरी
idea. No, no, this time it was like a full-fledged proper feature film, right? And on top of that, you know the people whose project it is, so you cannot. You have to ensure that the shoot doesn't go wrong, right? So that was, I think, the most important thing for me. Otherwise, if it was someone else's, you can still take a chance of कुछ हो जाएगा तो हो गया but here you couldn't, right? So I think that was the only pressure and the problem that I am camera conscious, but then such a brilliant director, of course he would know what he's getting.
तो क्या बहुत सारे टेक्स हुए थे कि एक बार में हो गया था?
No, I think we had 4 takes of the whole song,
बाप रे,
but
the
each
same
take
day,
was
the same day, one
same.
after another.
One after another.
बाप रे, कितना बहुत मेहनत का काम
No,
था
I
वो
think
तो।
कल ही I was talking to Anubhuti that you know the moment, so I reached there 2 days before the shoot and all. So I was just saying that how I'm like always very conscious about and a very shy person. And I was just happened to tell Ashu and Anubhuti that how बीच बीच में अनुभूति would आके शाम को बोल देगी हाँ कभी भी बोर हो जाए तो आ जाना शूट पे, हम आजू बाजू में ही शूट कर रहे हैं. But then उधर जाके I will still be very very conscious कि जब तक I don't see अनुभूति I'm not comfortable. And it was like फैला हुआ all over the place near the Vishwanath temple के आजू बाजू में the shoot हो रहे थे. But the first day, the first morning I went to the shoot, oh my God, and this Anurag just hugged me as if like we are friends forever.
Okay.
But now looking back, I think he knew that you know I'm a very very shy person, and I just project a different image that I'm a very outgoing person. I'm not. I'm a very private person. That's what shows that as a director, he is who he is. Now looking back, I realize that you know he did that as if we are best friends.
Okay. So you became comfortable, and
I
then-
think. I mean, it added. I mean,
Of course,
would
it added.
just not disappear.
And
like
how
with
about the
one.
other your co-actors? सब इतने बड़े
तब
बड़े
तो
stars.
बड़े नहीं थे ना वो सब.
हाँ, वो उनका कैसा था आपके साथ रवैया, बिहेवियर और
So I think Rajkumar, I had seen him in LSD.
okay.
then. And I thought he was terrific in the film. No?
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ.
So yeah. So and he was very sweet.
He was very sweet.
Yeah. The first take के बाद तो
हाँ.
I had no idea that itna they'll be like all over me, and then he came to me and he's like, "Are you okay?"
Wow.
And I was like, "Oh well, I hope so."
तो
Yeah.
yes, they were all over you. तो खराब लगा, डर लगा.
No, because that's how it is. It's supposed to be, right? The Londa
तो ये हाँ, तो
performers.
ये आप डिसाइड
they
करके
get,
गई थी कि ये होगा and it's
I
all
don't
right.
think now I don't remember, but I don't think decide करके गई थी मैं.
You just trusted everybody.
Yeah, and then I think that probably if there was some discomfort, that was probably needed. No, the expression. Who knows? That was probably needed. I mean, I make films, so of course I would know that
हाँ.
if I want somebody to feel in a certain way, I mean, if the circumstances are such that he or she is feeling that way, I would be selfish enough to let that happen, right? Now, it's not a question of what is right, wrong, whatever. But I mean, इतना comfort level तो था कि जैसे सब आपकी जान पहचान के ही लोग हैं. I mean, when you know the
सब जान पहचान के ही लोग हैं. Of course.
and
Yeah.
when you know the main people, then you have nothing to be uncomfortable or scared of.
ओके. अच्छा, तो ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस था आपका जिससे आप कह सकते हैं कि आपकी पूरी जिंदगी बदल गई?
Well, I'm still waiting for.
You're still waiting for it?
For example, if I have to say, somebody asked me to do a project which is probably not propagating something which I believe in, till the time I have enough money to pay my bills, I would say no to that project.
Okay.
Right? I mean, you can't just say that just because it has, very lucrative project, that you take it up. That restricts the reduces the chances of एक चीज जो पूरी जिंदगी बदल देती है types, those drastic things. Yeah.
नहीं, वो प्रोजेक्ट नहीं, वो कोई लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस भी हो सकता है, कोई इंसान हो सकता है कि ऐसा एक इंसान आया कि मेरी पूरी जिंदगी बदल गई. अच्छा भी हो सकता है, वो बुरा भी हो सकता है.
I think life has planted ऐसे ऐसे बहुत सारे इंसान अलग अलग मोड़ पे, and then which helps you take a turn and change, probably little deviate the track, or put me on the right track types.
Life itself is so funny.
So funny.
And it keeps
yeah,
happening.
yeah,
Life
it
happens
keeps
at every
happening.
moment.
The whole life is funny.
Yeah, it's funny.
Yeah.
So you are that kind of person.
Yeah, I think probably I don't concentrate only on one thing, that suddenly I wake up and then wake up to life or what is happening around me, and
you
then
live in the moment already.
already
You are
yeah.
aware of
I'm
what you are
aware
doing,
of-
what you're
yes.
saying,
Yeah.
what's happening around you. Therefore, every moment is that moment.
Yeah, like when I keep telling you that I'm actually very shy and a very private person, but you know me for 10 years now. So you know that I share everything, even the graphic details of my, like the most intimate moments in my life. But that also has a reason. Because we only know the heteronormative lives. And what happens? Science की किताबों में भी आपको मिलता है पढ़ने. But for us, for the LGBTQI+, for the queer community, there are no science book chapters, right? And as I said, that it's the whole range. And when you're talking about the range, like behaviors and the roles and everything, it's very different. And there is a range to everything. So I think it's my duty to convey, right?
You
Yes.
feel that.
Yes. That's why I'm very vocal about it. I have made sure that because many a times what happens is like for a hetero situation, I'll give. Suppose you have a friend who is a girl or a boy, not married and probably looking for a soulmate or a partnership. And you have another friend's friend who is a girl, and you would try as friends to, introduce them because it'll happen, right? I think sexually, it would work, right? But for like many a times, my friends, very close friends, they would say that, but this one is gay, so why can't you guys just be with each other?
Okay, just because the other person is gay.
Yeah, so they have no idea. It's not as simple as a hetero man would. There'll be sexual compatibility with a woman, with a hetero woman, right? For us, they haven't understood the sexuality aspect of it, and the compatibility factor also. They have no idea. They think that, oh, acha gay hai, this one is biological man, then they should be together. So, it's like, on their part, it's a great gesture, but it just makes me think terrible. A very pointless question. And like, भाई अपना अपने चीजों में ध्यान दो भाई. No, but when you have to do it, you have to do it the right way, no?
The right way.
You can't be so casual because the hetero, that's why the word heteronormative exists. That has been normalized so much that you don't need to think twice.
Yeah.
Yes, you would think about the backgrounds, right? If they both are background independent, एक का अगर बहुत conservative है, you already have these informations, like, right? Fed into your head. You have no information
there's no
regarding
information.
me. What you're suggesting is also as futile as I would say.
तो आपकी relationships में आपने क्या सीखा है?
Well, एक तो इतना बचपन में हुआ था, मैंने अभी बताया आपको, आई शेयर्ड विद यू, उसमें तो कुछ सीखने का कुछ था ही
हाँ, वो तो
नहीं.
बहुत छोटे थे आप.
And I was still living this whole world of, oh, he is the husband. Because, see, the window to all these gender roles have always been through films, and I had always inclination towards Hindi films. So I think I did not get the right picture of the gender roles. I think I got the roles assigned largely to the women. So I always felt that he is the husband, I'm the wife. He decides, and I follow. Kind of a simplified thing. So, but then thank God that there was a breakup. That I became an individual after that. So I think that was really needed. So I would say I didn't really learn much because one was very passive. That in that relationship, but the one in Bombay has made me change a lot.
Okay.
Because we have been in touch with each other for almost for many years, and that has helped change a lot of these notions that I had, which were not very the right way of looking at a man or his sexuality. Like a lot of hang-ups I had.
Okay.
Now I'm flexible up to the extent of questioning what is man enough for one. If a man cooking is man enough, these questions which many a times we forget to address, but we need to, because then you're again boxing the genders into the already accepted and used and practiced notions and gender roles. That has changed. I think I'm more flexible in life. Yeah.
That's great.
I think flexible is probably not a very, very positive word.
Accepting?
I would say I have become more matured, because when you are using any word to explain how one should be, you are actually giving it a status which is not normal. But to keep it normal, I would not use the word accepting or progressive or anything. I think that's how human beings should be. Because all the gender roles were assigned, which has a politics. Henna, like when I'm dressed up like this, because a lot of people, they do have a problem when I'm not wearing a traditional women's wear. Then they have a problem using she, her for me.
Acha.
Yeah. Because then you are actually, so my gender identity can't be based on what clothing I'm wearing. And who says that a sari or so-called feminine attire was designed by women with their consent? Maybe not, right? I don't have a research paper to justify what I'm saying, but I think maybe that's how it is. So who says what is feminine, accepted women's wear, that itself was probably designed by men and dumped upon women, right? So would somebody, you're wearing well, you call it a top, but it looks like a shirt, right? And you're wearing denim. So are you a man? Would anybody say he for you? No, na? I mean, what today we wear, it's a modern day uniform. Nothing masculine or feminine about it, because that helps you run into the public transportations and reach the workplace. That ensures your easy functioning in everyday life. So what I'm wearing right now is a traditional women's wear. So these are questions that many a times go unaddressed. I mean, if we say that human civilization is very dynamic, fluid, right? And it's not stagnant. So we have to constantly keep questioning. If we don't, then I mean, God help us.
आप भगवान को मानती हैं?
I don't know how to answer this question, because I was born and raised in a household where my father has always been a man of science. And things like how we are living in this ocean of germs, right? We got to know, I would say most of us got to know only during COVID time, right? But I knew this as a child. I grew up with these explanations. So in my house, everything was like broken down into molecules, particles. So I can't say that I believe in God.
ओके ओके
But मैं तो बोलूँगी ये मेरे संस्कारों का असर है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Yeah,
है जब कभी डर लगता है या कभी ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं क्या होगा तो आप कैसे उसे ओवरकम कैसे करती हैं उस फीलिंग
It's very difficult because then you can't fool your mind, right? It is to give you that extra support, right? When you're lonely and helpless, that there is somebody who is going to help you. But ये कहावत भी है that God helps only who help themselves, right?
Correct.
Which means God is not going to come down and help you. Right? So I only will have to. So then I would rather start helping myself.
दैट्स वंडरफुल पोदू
And that's what I believe because in house everything was science. I mean, without any explanation, you can't believe anything.
स्पिरिचुअलिटी भी यही कहती है ईश्वर हमारे अंदर है
Yeah. Swami Vivekananda also said that worship God through man.
Yes.
Man as in insan. He
हाँ,
meant, I
हाँ.
think, the English translation. Manush in Bangla, he would have written. When you
तो
translate it,
आप भी
says man.
भगवान हैं मैं भी भगवान हूँ हम सब
हाँ,
भगवान
हाँ,
हैं
so-
पेड़ भी भगवान है
सब भगवान
जानवर भी
है. I mean,
भगवान
that-
है yes.
And it all existed in India. All the philosophy that we were talking about, that not, I mean, that coming back to the point that I said that Bhagavad Gita and all the texts that exist in this country, उसको सिर्फ रट्टा मार के and as a religious text नहीं है. I mean, उनको तो बांधना ही नहीं चाहिए within, I mean, religious text बोल के उनको बहुत छोटा कर रहे थे. Like great philosophies. So, and in Indian culture, we already have that Bhagwan sab mein hai, and I'm sure every religion teaches that. Teaches us to be respectful towards everything that is available to us, right? So, starting from nature and everything. So, उसके लिए तो I think अलग से कुछ पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. I mean, if you're like truly Indian, you already should grow up with uh, no misuse of material.
no
nothing.
misuse yes
Yeah. And culturally also, different parts of India still have, because of their geographical locations, they have preserving the vegetables, drying them and preserving them and using them for the rest of the year. So we have all these traditional practices all over the country. It's just that suddenly the more industrial approach has probably enabled us, or it's, I think, a very modern world exploitation and misuse of
Exploitation,
resources.
yes,
Misuse of
greed.
resources, yeah, is I think a modern world sort of
Problem, issue,
problem,
yeah,
problem,
yeah.
which traditionally we never had these things. I mean, we had other problems by saying I'm not justifying all the traditional practices, but yeah, we need to preserve whatever we had, great practices, which are like timeless, and what are regressive practices, we have to question and discard them. Yeah, yeah.
आप क्या चाहती हैं कि लोग आपको कैसे याद रखें
Well, मेरे काम से ही याद रखे तो अच्छा है. As I think, as somebody who has just always tried to change and remain dynamic in terms of learning and changing and constantly questioning one's ideas and
which is wonderful. I have seen your
Thank
films.
you,
They are
thank
amazing.
you, thank
कशिश में जब आपको नॉमिनेट किया गया था और आपको अवार्ड मिला था तो मैं वहाँ थी
आप वीडियो बना रही थी.
मैं वीडियो बना
और
रही
वीडियो
थी.
बना के आपने भेजा मुझे.
हाँ. I am so grateful that you are in my life, Podu. I learned so much from you. I learned being graceful from you, and you're so talented. You are so creative. और ऐसे creativity आती है आपकी ऐसे. तो I wish you all the best for everything that you are doing. And आने वाला कुछ ऐसा कुछ आपका कोई फिल्म या कोई प्रोजेक्ट है जिसके बारे में आप क्विकली हमें बताएंगी कि this is coming up.
writing a film. I'm just started developing a project feature idea,
अच्छा.
which has to be shot in Berlin about an Indian trans,
Oh.
and it based on identity.
Okay.
एक दूसरी वाली film I'm working with Ashu,
Okay.
which is a feature length called Kiss Me Kasata. You know of that
Oh,
film.
I've heard of the name.
वो आशुतोष जी को आप जब
नहीं, हम
podcast
फिल्में
बुलाएंगे।
देखेंगे,
अच्छा,
फिल्में देखेंगे।
My God, आप तो बड़ी स्मार्ट निकली। आप तो बड़ी वो निकली।
क्या? क्या?
फिल्में देखेंगे। उससे पहले कुछ नहीं करेंगे।
हाँ, फिल्में देखेंगे।
No, I think I have a little message.
Please.
Can I add?
Yes.
I would say this as a minority who grew up thinking that there is no state or no rules, nothing that would ensure my safety if people got to know my identity, right? So I probably grew up thinking that I'm a minority, which was not even visible in a social sense. That you had the Hijra communities, they were visible, but where they're part of the mainstream society, maybe not. They still are not. So from that perspective, only thing I would say is that the need of the hour is solidarity. That is important, and probably we are all human beings, and we have to respect them as human beings, as Swami Vivekanand said. ईश्वर को अगर आपको पूजा करना है through human beings, इंसान के थ्रू ही पूजा करो. You don't have to go to a temple or a church or a mosque. आप सिर्फ बाजू वाले का ध्यान रखो, उससे ही हो जाएगा.
Love thy neighbor.
There is a lot of competition, a lot of hatred, and a lot of competition, which triggers a lot of hatred. So I think we need to love.
Love
we need to
more.
Spread love.
Spread love. Yes. Thank you so much, Podu. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Pradipta Ray. For
Thank you,
coming.
Barkha ji.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me.
और
calling
इतना
me.
दिल खोल के बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
मैं दिल खोल के ही बात करती हूँ.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Namaskar. Bye.